We begin tonight with what's becoming a major feature of higher education. Artificial intelligence is taking the world by storm, leaving universities and other educational institutions with a challenge. Figure out how to use AI in an ethical and constructive way. Ellis talks to a Troy professor who is working to do just that.
In a world of new technology, Troy University professor Sherry Hoppin has chosen to embrace AI and use it as a tool as opposed to banning it completely.
I use AI in the classroom because AI is being used in the professional world. So when students go out in the professional world, we need for you all to be able to function.
She says she uses AI in the classroom in ways it's used in the professional world. For example, in one class, her students use AI to write a news release.
But they tend to lack a human element. And so that's where, we're going to look at it and say, okay, AI has generated this, but how do we bring what we've learned about in class, about persuasion, for example, to improve on what the AI has done?
Hoppin says although AI can be a useful tool, it isn't perfect. That's why she thinks it's so important for students to do their due diligence when using the tool.
AI tends to hallucinate. It'll make up things. It'll make up references, or it will state things that aren't true, and that's problematic. And you don't get to say the AI did it. You're responsible for the work you turn in.
Hoppin urges students to talk with their professors about the use of AI in each individual class and fact-check everything. Ellis, Troy, TrojanVision News.
At this moment, Troy University does not have an official AI policy.